Ggives to Gcash tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to send from your Ggives to your Gcash account. So in order to transfer the money from your Ggives to your Gcash account, first you need to understand the concept of Ggives and Gcash and how they both works. So Ggives is the ultra accessible installment loan service provided by Gcash that can help you make lighter and more flexible payments. So you can pay your next shopping trips through installment plans that fits your budget when you buy from Ggives partner merchants nationwide. So Ggives is basically a loan service offered by Gcash that can help you make installment payment for the big investment that you are making for yourself. So basically there is no real cash in your account if you are using Gcash, and the Gcash when you're using Ggives because Gcash is providing you some loan service in a form of Ggives that you are using for your purchases. So basically they are interlinked and you can't really transfer the money directly by yourself. So for that, in order to transfer the money using your Ggives to your Gcash account, you need to contact to the customer support of Gcash. So in order to contact the customer support, just simply click on Help Center from the right hand side of the screen. And over here, just click on Contact Us from the right hand side again. And on this page, you will be able to see the option called Chat with Gigi. Just simply click on it. And over here, once the chatbot gets activated, just simply explain the chatbot that you want to withdraw the money from your Ggives to your Gcash account as a loan that has been provided under your Gcash account. And the customer support team will definitely help you out and provide you the solution. So in order to get your Ggives money to your Gcash account. So this is basically how you will be able to do it. So that's the Ggives to Gcash tutorial for you. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. And I'll see you the next time.